So, it looks like I've grown a bit in Hua Hin in terms of transportation. So now I'm actually driving. A friend of ours loaned us a car so we could drive around, get used to driving in Hua Hin versus relying on boat and Grab. And you know, when I first got here, I was like, oh no, I'm in no hurry to do this. So our friends kind of forced my hand on that because they called us one day and said they're on the way and they got a car for us. And I was literally like, oh no, not a car, I'm not ready. But anyway, we got the car, and my neighbor has suggested that when they come out of the development, if I were to make a left, you know, go up that way and drive around. It's not a lot of congestion, it's not a lot of craziness. Do that for a little bit before you go towards the center of town. So this has probably been about maybe a week of having a car, and so I've graduated because I'm actually coming from the center part of town. I actually went to Market Village, and now I'm headed back home. It's rush hour, but you know, like anything, even when I first moved to Doha and saw how aggressive they were driving and they were just all over the place, you know, I was able the first week to actually ride with my coworkers because I didn't have a car assigned to me yet. And I said, man, I don't want to do this driving. I don't see how I could do it. But once I got a car, I, you know, kind of waited in a rental car parking lot for about 15-20 minutes because I didn't want to drive. And then something just hit me and says, you know what, you know, it's been a minute, but you lived in New York City and you drove in New York City, and that was pretty crazy and hectic. You'll be okay. And it probably might not make the most sense, but when the driving is chaotic like this, you have to jump in and literally drive like they do. Yeah, maybe a bit slower until you get used to it, but some people say, well, drive slow. But actually, in these kind of chaotic driving environments, if you drive slow, you're actually going to probably cause an accident. So, you know, you kind of get in here, go at your pace, but at the end of the day, you'll actually be a lot better than you think. So I just wanted to make this video, and so now I need to kind of pay attention to what's going on here because I'm not fully graduated, but I've made some steps. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned for more videos, retirement life in Hua Hin, expat life, and share, like, and comment. Thank you.